Hello and welcome. I'm on the lot, on the used lot, and I found a Shicket on my shacket. This is a 2000 Jaguar XK8 Convertible. Over $70,000 new. 4-liter V8, 290 horsepower, rear drive. Washers. So, this car's 24 years old and it looks really good. One question always, is it faster than the Escape? 0 to 60 in this is 6.7 seconds, so the Escape at 7 seconds, it is faster. 5-speed automatic with the Jaguar J-gate shifter. I love it. Now, you hardly see any of these around. I mean, when is the last time you actually saw even a coupe, an XK coupe, driving around? Never. Next year, this car gets a historic plate here in Indiana, if you want to go get that. This car has 85,000 miles on it, and they want $10,000 for it, considering so it's lost most of its value. Now, the thing is, these rear tires, oh, by the way, these are Jaguar rims, and they're in very good condition. For being so old, nobody has really scraped them up. There's a little bit of scrapes on them. I'll tell you what, which I think they should fix, but I'll tell you, I've seen cars that are 3 years old that are in way worse condition. So, does it need a little work? Yeah, but you know, it's 24 years old. So the back tires were made in 51 of 19. So, and I've done videos about this DOT number, right? Right after DOT, then there's going to be a number, 5119. That is the 51st week of 2019. That's when this tire was made, okay? Both of these back tires are 5119s. The fronts are 3318s. So they were made the 33rd week of 2018. That makes the front tires 6 years old and the backs 5 years old. They're put on at different times. Now, a rear drive car, I get it. And the fronts do actually still have more tread than the backs. But, you know, I would like to see people replace their tires at the same time. I just would. Now, besides that, the leather seats, you know, could use some treatment. And some stuff like that has always bothered me about car dealers. Like, look, if they just soaked this and let it sit over a weekend, soak those seats, they're just cracked a little from being old. They're not in bad condition, like, per se, right? Don't have big holes in them. But soaking those seats would make it look so much better. So much more inviting when you open the door up, all right? And this, which I think is a CB antenna, maybe a cell phone antenna from back then, I'd take that off of there, okay? It's no point to it. Just get it out of there. Just get it out, right? Locking gas cap, right? All kinds of stuff like that. So, glass back window, you know, and the top looks to be in very good condition. It looks great. I'm going to say it looks great. Let me just say it. I just said it. It looks great. And this 4-liter 2000, right? Super reliable, okay? It's going to be, now, people, oh, Mark, it's a Jaguar. Now, look, it's going to have quirks. Plus, the car's 24 years old, okay? And depending on what was made, almost 25 years old. So it's going to have some issues, for sure. But is this fixable? Yeah, that's a Ford engine, right? So a lot of Ford parts in these cars, absolutely. Absolutely. Can we do something about that? Yeah. Parts can be had. You know, like this side marker, right? I'm just not impressed with that. You know, it's all bumpy, and it's just little stuff should be fixed to make it great. You know, these green, this is the growler right here, and, you know, like this has a cover on it. This one doesn't have the cover on it. Could you get that at a junkyard? Maybe. You know, you looked at depending on how far you want to go. If you looked at a junkyard worldwide, you can get these parts. You can get them. See what it's supposed to look like over here? Okay, but the one on the other side isn't there. Now, you know what you also could do? You can go on, you know, like Etsy and have somebody make one. Stuff like that. So it can be done. These are heated mirrors, which was unusual back then. Possible heated seats, real wood inside the car. I love it. Okay, I'm always a huge Jaguar fan anyways. This would be super unusual car. Wish it was a coupe, because that would just be better. Up here, I mean, convertible, I don't know. It's not my thing, but it could be your thing. For just $10,000 small dollars, this could be your car. And I want you to drive it and send a picture of you driving it to me. All right, so thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon on the lot.